What you're looking at is a drone show. And for those of you that have never seen a drone show, what we do is we take hundreds of autonomous drones. We program them all together to make iconic shapes and iconic images. You're looking at Bowser. Yes, that Bowser. We're gonna give you a behind the scenes guided tour of how we really brought this drone show to life, what made it special, and what were the things that I loved about it. We're Sky Elements Drones. We do this stuff all the time, but what's different about this show is we got to work with our friends over at Universal to try to bring the Mario movie to life. Mario is a game that every single person knows, and we had to do it justice. Most of the time, we have to lean on our animation team to really develop the models, develop the movements, develop everything that goes into a drone show. Well, this one's a little bit unique. We got to work with Illumination, and Illumination is the animation studio that's behind the actual movie. So what they were able to help us with is provide us with those 3D models from the movie, the same ones that you saw on the big screen, that we could then map our drones to. So we have the exact same characters that people were watching over the weekend when the movie broke box office records, with the same characters that we got to bring to life using our technology and drones to really show it in a different way. Once we launched the show and it started going into those layers, people lost their minds. How do we actually have Mario appear in the sky? The reveal moment. And we had to make him come out of the pipe. And when he popped up, oh, everybody just went crazy. We had to step back and look and decide, what do we want to showcase from Mario? And we really went back to the beginning. Super Mario Brothers World 1-1, the first thing you do when you start playing is you eat a mushroom. You get bigger. We had to showcase Mario going from regular size to big size. Using all the drones, we could have these two different poses, if you will. You have small Mario eating the mushroom, and then once he eats it, he's gonna go big. And because we had so many drones, it gives that flexibility to really have that second reveal and have it instantaneous rather than having to shift the drones around. Now, what's interesting watching the playback is that it looks like Mario is moving slow, but when you're watching it live and you're seeing the distance that he's covering, it's going pretty fast, and it's just a huge area that he's going. Rainbow Road just looked so good. The video doesn't even do it justice. Those colors were so much better in person, and it just looked incredible. If you look closely, you can see us using an FPV to fly through it. FPV definitely gave us the perspective of the Rainbow Road shot. The title got the biggest cheers out of any of the animation. Everybody just loved it. Once that popped up, the Mario fonts, everything, they just went wild. And that obviously you couldn't have Mario without having Bowser. The whole time I was just waiting and waiting to see Bowser. We got to use all 600 drones to make Bowser and to make him ominous, to make him giant, to make him breathe fire. That Bowser, it is over 350 feet tall, and it is about 400 feet wide. It's bigger than Statue of Liberty. It's bigger than a football field. It's the only reason I went and flew the show, is because I wanted to see Bowser come to life. We've released dozens of videos of our drone shows. If you've liked this behind the scenes look, be sure to leave a comment below, or if there's anything you want to see, let us know. And who knows, maybe we'll pick your comment and give you a little bit of a different look at our shows. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and check out more of our shows.